Nicholas Kaufman Hebrew is a British-Israeli lawyer who has served as a defense attorney at the International Criminal Court. Kaufman was born in Liverpool in the United Kingdom to a Jewish family and grew up in Birmingham. He obtained his law degree from the University of Cambridge in 1989. He also studied at the Inns of Court School of Law in 1991. After graduating from Cambridge, Kaufman worked as a defense lawyer in Birmingham before moving to Israel. He served the Military Advocate General's Office of the Israel Defense Forces. He worked on peace agreements and international law. Kaufman went on to work in a Tel Aviv law firm focusing on corporate law before transitioning to criminal law in 1996 by becoming a prosecutor in the Jerusalem District Attorney's Office. He took cases including those involving murder, rape, and terrorism. Kaufman joined the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia in 2003, becoming Israel's first prosecutor in said court. He helped secure the conviction of Serbian and Montenegrin generals for war crimes committed in attacking Dubrovnik in 1991. Kaufman also served as a defense lawyer at the International Criminal Court. His clients include Democratic Republic of the Congo Vice President Jean-Pierre Bemba, Aisha, the daughter of Libyan leader Muammar Gaddafi, and a militia leader from the Central African Republic Mokum Gawaka. His representation with Gawaka ended due to a conflict of interest. Commenting on the U.S. administration's lifting of sanctions imposed on the outgoing ICC prosecutor Fatou Bensouda, Kaufman emphasized to Israeli Army radio that it was not possible to bribe the new ICC prosecutor, Karim Khan. This came at a time when the ICC was launching an investigation into Israeli crimes in the West Bank, Gaza Strip, and East Jerusalem. Kaufman immigrated to the State of Israel in 1993 at age 25. He married an Israeli woman. When former President Rodrigo Duterte needed a legal heavyweight to defend him against crimes against humanity charges before the International Criminal Court, ICC, his camp turned to Nicholas Kaufman, a seasoned international lawyer with a history of handling high-profile cases. Lawyer Nicholas Kaufman will lead the legal team of former President Rodrigo Duterte as he faces charges of crimes against humanity for murder before the International Criminal Court, according to Vice President Sarah Duterte. Kaufman is identified as a national of the United Kingdom and Israel on the list of ICC counsels. Kaufman, a British-Israeli barrister, has extensive experience in international law, having previously defended figures accused of war crimes and human rights violations. He has served as counsel for Jean-Pierre Bemba, a former Congolese vice president, and Aisha Gaddafi, the daughter of late Libyan leader Muammar Gaddafi. His most recent high-profile case involved Maxime Mokam-Gawaka, a militia leader from the Central African Republic, though his representation there ended due to a conflict of interest. Educated at the University of Cambridge, Kaufman is not just a trial lawyer, but also a legal strategist specializing in litigation, crisis public relations, and reputation management, a skill set that could prove crucial in Duterte's case. Duterte's ICC case remains a highly charged issue, not just in the Philippines, but internationally. His legal team continues to insist that the ICC has no authority over him, citing the country's withdrawal from the Rome Statute in 2019. However, ICC prosecutors argue that the court retains jurisdiction over crimes committed while the Philippines was still a signatory. With Kaufman at the helm of Duterte's defense, the legal battle is set to intensify. Whether his expertise will lead to a dismissal of charges or a prolonged courtroom fight remains to be seen. Kaufman identifies as an international lawyer and ICC defense counsel, and states that he is one of the leading advocates specializing in international criminal law, supranational regulatory law, and commercial arbitration. He also used to be a prosecutor at the ICC. It also states that he is a legal public relations specialist focusing on international reputation management, litigation, and crisis public relations. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.